Hello and welcome back to the Car Ghost channel. In today's quick how-to video, I'm going to show you how to put your Mercedes W211 transmission from park to neutral. If for whatever reason, maybe your ignition system doesn't work or gives up or your key loses programming, you will need to know how to put the transmission from park to neutral in order to put your car on the tow truck. Happened to me, and the tow truck driver didn't know how to, so I came and saved the day. Alright, so the first thing I had to do is lower the windows because it's kind of hot, and now I'm gonna shut the car off and take the key out. Show you that you cannot actually move the gear lever from park to neutral, and let's get into how you can actually do it. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to gain access to the inside of this gear lever. So what we gotta do is push this boot, pull this boot, and then you can use a screwdriver. I'm using my trusty wine opener to pry the little boot up and slide it to the side, and just comes right up. I mean, you can pull on the boot. I don't know if it's gonna work, but the pry tool works for me. So you lift this up and set it on the side, and there is a button. Let me zoom you in. Alright, now I'm going to zoom you in and light this up with my phone, because otherwise you will not be able to see it. There is a black piece of plastic right there in the center of the screen. Let me see if I can point it. There we go. It's this right here. Light it up. You're going to press on that little black piece of plastic right there. You're going to press on this black piece of plastic and then pull the lever towards you. So I'm going to have to shut the flashlight off, stick my hand in there, pull on that little piece of plastic, and please make sure that your foot is on the brake and you're safe to disengage in neutral, because you know you may crash, and that's not a good day. Definitely not a good day. So I just put, I can't do it with one hand, so I just put my finger on that little piece of plastic down there, and then I don't have another hand. Let me set you on the tripod. Alright, so just like that, and I set my left hand down on the black piece of plastic, and then just like that comes up. Release it, doesn't go. Press my hand again on the black piece of plastic, and it goes right into neutral and drive. So this, here we go, the key is not in the ignition. This is how you put your Mercedes-Benz transmission into park. Then you just, when you're done with the car being towed or whatever you're doing, pushing it around, or you know, whatever the case, you just go and push the boot back in, and you're all good. I really hope you like this little tutorial. Now I'm gonna start the car and put the AC on, because it's super hot and humid right here in New York City. But if you did like this video, hit the thumbs up. If it was useful for you, smash the thumbs up. I know you want it, I know you do. If you like those little tutorials on how to for the Mercedes W211, or you like lifestyle vlogs like I do in other episodes, consider hitting that subscribe button, and why not the notification bell as well. Till next time, have a great day. Bye!